I get this question all the time. Devin, how do I validate a niche? By checking whether search results leave obvious gaps for clearer beginner explanations. Here's the simple rule. Don't just ask, is there demand? Ask, are the current results making a beginner work too hard? What I do is run a beginner clarity gap test. Search the exact topic, then 2 or 3 close variations. Open the top 5 to 10 results and score each one on 5 things. First, does it answer the exact question fast, ideally in the first 30 seconds? Second, does it explain jargon instead of assuming prior knowledge? Third, are the steps shown in the right order for a true beginner? Fourth, is the example or interface current, not outdated? Fifth, does the title and thumbnail actually match what the video delivers? Now the important part, look for repeated misses. If 3 or more top results fail on the same beginner need, like they all skip setup, talk to advanced, or bury the actual explanation, that's a niche signal. You're not looking for empty search results, you're looking for demand with weak explanations. One extra check, scan comments. If you keep seeing, I'm confused, you skipped a step, or can someone explain this simpler, that's validation. If you're testing multiple niches, track these scores in a sheet or in Satura if you want the research and production workflow in one place. That's the framework. Demand plus repeated clarity gaps equals opportunity.